Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 600 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here scroll all the way down to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Software Updates at the top and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's go to Device Settings. And as you can see here, we've got two different options, which I highly recommend to keep turned on. So if for some reason you've got them turned off, start with this one, just tap on the switcher, which means that your device will automatically download the newest software updates over the Wi-Fi, which is great because you do not really need to check for new updates. And I also highly recommend to tap on this switcher to turn on the option Update Overnight, which means that your device will not only download the updates, but it will also install them at night, usually between 1 and 5 a.m. So basically, we usually sleep at that time, which is great because you will simply wake up to the brand new software. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.